In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Twilio connection in Lovable. To get started, open Lovable and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the area where you can manage your workspace, settings, and integrations, so if you've just logged in, you're likely already in the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Lovable keeps its main navigation menu there, which makes it easy to move between different sections without leaving the page you're working on. For this setup, the section we need is called Connectors. Go ahead and click on Connectors. This will open the integrations area where you can browse the services that Lovable can connect to. From here, look for Twilio in the list of available connectors. When you find it, click on Twilio to open its connection page. Next, click on Add Connection. This is where you'll create a new Twilio connection for your Lovable account. You'll now see a form with a few fields that need to be filled in carefully. First, check the display name. This is simply the label Lovable will use to identify the connection inside your workspace. It's a good idea to make sure the name is clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to create multiple Twilio connections later on. For example, you might want to name it based on the project or use case, as long as it helps you identify it quickly. After that, enter your account SD. This comes from your Twilio account and acts as one of the key identifiers for the connection. Make sure you paste it exactly as it appears in Twilio with no extra spaces before or after. Then add your standard API key SD. This is different from the account SD, so be careful not to mix them up. The API key SD is specifically used for authentication and should also be copied exactly from your Twilio settings. Next, enter the API key secret. Since this is sensitive information, be sure to handle it securely while entering it. Double check for typing errors, because even one incorrect character can prevent the connection from working properly. Once all the fields are complete, click on Connect. Lovable will then attempt to verify the details and create the Twilio connection. If everything was entered correctly, your connection should be added successfully. At that point, you're ready to start using Twilio inside Lovable. As a final tip, if the connection doesn't go through on the first try, review each credential carefully and make sure the right values were placed in the correct fields. And that's how to add a Twilio connection in Lovable.